how to stop hiccups. Yeah, I tried this before. Do like this. I'm giving an example. This is your mouth. Sorry about that. And like that, like that, like this. Sorry, I can't show my face, but like this. Then close your nose, because this is the nose, and close your mouth, and then don't breathe just for a while. Then if the hiccup stops, then go back normal. If that come again, then do this again. If that doesn't work, I tried this before. It worked, but if it doesn't work on you guys, I'm sorry for that. So this is the end of the video. It's kind of easy though. I always do this, so that's how you need to stop hiccups. Hiccups. So easy. That's how I do. But if it, I'm repeating it. Yes, if it doesn't work on you, I'm sorry. So, okay. Okay. This is the end of the video. Bye. Oopsie. Bye. Okay, bye.